Hi everyone, so in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add some section in quotation. So let's start by opening the Sales app and create a new quotation. Let's say that my customer is Openwood and I want to create several sections for this quotation. So for doing this, you just need to click on add a section and enter a name. Let's say that my first section is section 1. I'm going to add a product. Let's say that I want a desk combination. And then I'm going to add another section. In a quotation in Odoo, you can add as many sections as you want. So let's say that I want another one that I'm going to call section 2. And I'm going to add another product. Let's say that I want a desk organizer. And finally, let's add another section that I'm going to call section 3. And I'm going to add another product, desk pad. And here is my quotation with some section. Every section is easy to move. So let's, for example, take section 2 and I want to put it in above. So before section 1, you just need to click on the 6 button, take it and drop it. And there you go. The section 2 will be at the first line of the quotation. Every section has some option. So to see this option, you just need to click on the 3 button at the end of the line, and you can see that there is like several options. Today we are going to focus on those 3, so either price, composition, and set optional. Let's say the section 1, I want to add the price. So you can see that now the price is in gray and the product is in black. So that's mean that when you're going to send the quotation, or when you're going to send it by mail or send it by PDF or even online, the price will be will not be visible for the customer. For the section 2, let's say that I want to add the composition. So you can see that all the lines are gray. So that means that all the line will be will not be visible for the customer. And let's say that the section 3 will be optional. There you go. Now you can see that this is in purple. That means that the customer can choose if you want the desk pad or not. So when you're going to send to this quotation to the customer, so to Openwood, you will see something like that. So, and there you go. So here's your quotation. And if you go on the details, you can see that there is our 3 sections, so section 1, section 2, and section 3. If you take section 1, you can see that only the product is visible. So because we are hiding the price, like the product doesn't have any price, you have only the subtotal of the section. Section 2 is empty because we hide the composition, so you can only see the unit quantity and the price. And finally, the section 3, because we say that this section is optional, you can see that you can see the product and you can see the unit price, but you can choose how many quantity you want. So let's say that I want, for example, 2 desk pad, and here you go. So yeah, you have like the 2 unit, you have the unit price, and you have the subtotal. So there you go. Now you can do a quotation with section. I hope this video is going to help you, and have a good day.